Lord have mercy, I'm about to bust.
When this was the B, you don't gotta force it. I just been shopping, I think I need more. These niggas my sons, but I shit got abortions. I've been finesse till I came up a fortune. I can't stop till I'm back in the portion. Married to money, we never divorced. Ain't chill by yourself, you gon' call reinforcements.
In seconds. What's up, YouTube? It's your RonDaGreat back here with another video, and today, guys, I gotta ask my contacts them. Well, this I go kinda look a bit gay in a way because like niggas they in my broadcast list, and I gotta say now look at things say why aren't we not together?
Nigga, you gay.
To the girls them, but me don't want to go to the boys them. But if a nigga answer me, I've got to tell him say yo.
Let me suck them toes.
There's a little video me there so I do and in my broadcast list. Then yeah. But now send it right now, you see more to like the video, subscribe, leave a comment, turn notification bell if you're new, just subscribe and let's get in the video. Be a styling me I go get and let's be prepared for this shit, man.
And not on period.
So 3,
3,
2,
2,
1.
1.
Alright, it start.
On a pussy hole.
So why aren't we not together?
'Cause you're ugly.
Yo, wait. Somebody just answer a while ago. Your family ram. Janelle is like fam. You know why it's best me tell Janelle say is I look a broadcast list with the broadcast list where a YouTube video. Oh, alright. Me have to text my family member them first say yo that you know me can't make them think say
In high school, I used to fuck on my cousin.
good thing a spam. Yo. Oh. You know me go bust a little boy the ass.
Pause.
Yo. Alright, time for answer them here now. Yeah. I'm listen with them and I have to say cause me know the youth them reaction I go funny.
Hey boy, go suck yourself. Be a gunshot if you get in a youth for that. Oh, and binds if you get boy.
Oh, scary. Oh, shiver my timbers. Shut up, man.
Yo, is a look let me tell you what I go on, dog. Nobody fling a shot off of me, no dog, but let me tell you what I go on. Is a look video me there saw do, and you see cause some youth there in my contacts. It go to Uno to the cause it dip on my broadcast this Jaja. Wait there. You know I can give this 5 minutes to cool down, and when them done text, I respond to you all of them.
Meanwhile,
This bitch nigga in the fucking shit, man.
You know, please just contact your local authorities.
Alright. So we have over at least the last time I checked I did 16 people I left unread, so 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So 4 16, 20, 30, 40, 50. Or 46, 46, 47, 45, 50. Or 44 people.
dance and I'm bossy.
I don't know. Alright, so the first girl, I'm gonna screenshot this. The first girl when named Mickey, I wish you want named Mickey. Just send some damn emoji, I don't know what that means for, but I'm screenshot it anyways. What else? Judy. Judy said, I don't know. Which Judy have a boyfriend, so I don't know what she talk about, so what she don't know. Screenshot Judy. Who else? Who else? Ramona say I'm taken. Well, we all know that Ramona is taken, so she ever post that on her status. So, you don't know. Yeah. I'm tell her say it's a video. Oh, who else now? Britannia say me and your friend and YouTube are your one only priority. And mood shoot you cause woman require attention and time. Extension whatsoever. which is right. Um, Kevin just takes. What the freak Kevin just takes a while ago? Oh, I forgot to screenshot. Britannia, you know. Screenshot Britannia. Who else? Tashana, I wish you want name. Tashana said because we are just not together. Well, nobody never asked that though, but I
Me personally, I wouldn't take this level of disrespect.
screenshot that. Who else? Nathania said she married. We all know that you're married, man. You need to have a question, one. Um, oh really? I'm not gonna look on the one there. This girl named Tijani. I wish you want name. The freak. She said she like being single. Well, nobody never asked that though, but.
Really, nigga?
So this youth from school and Stark. I know him, but I not too know him name. Him name kinda weird as it, but so how this nigga say, I wear the blood clot this. Kimi say what kind of question this dog? I'm tell him says a YouTube here. Is a YouTube video. Screenshot this. Who else? Polani say cause you not like me like that and you have a girlfriend, I think. It's like them not watch my story or some shit, you know. It's like them don't know say a nigga right here is single, man.
Crap.
This girl name, well, I don't know her name, you know, but she name Beauty. She look nice, but I never expect the the thing there. I never expect that from she. Why should I say that? Alright, tell her says a YouTube there. YouTube video thing. But if you want link, then
You gotta be kidding me.
Angel say cause you're too what? Cause you say you're too old for me. Yeah, Angel, that's true. You're too young. You're too freaking young, man. Okay. A jail you want to send me go?
Insects.
Alright, Heaven say cause she don't want a relationship, which is right. But not to want that. I'm screenshot this. I forgot to screenshot Angel, you know. Screenshot Angel. No lies told. Alright. Novada have a look question sign. Brit say, I'm screenshot Brit. Brit say you live too far. The moment I message me, I've got to sit down and answer the video. If I'll pass over 10 minutes to bomb. That's the case, yeah.
You know something, I don't know, but I just no wonder with nobody right now, like, literally, people ask me to do with them, but, I just love the single life, like, single life suit me, so, let me stick with it.
Well, so case I just she love the single vibe thing and one bag of crap. I mean, never did that too list too good, but let's move on. Brianna say, cause she married. Screenshot that. Say if she never married, she had heard me, is it? Yeah. Rihanna, no. Yeah, why she think me have a woman? I'm gonna look on her story. Wait there. Wait. I lie. This can't be real. Oh, just kidding. Oh crap. Tash say cause you won't let it be. She said just kidding. I'm screenshot it.
In high school, I used to fuck on my cousin.
Chanel said, nigga, you're way older than me. And no, this is a trick. Why? Chanel said, nigga way older than you. I know this is a TikTok trend. Also, she try to say because she older than me and things that mean say we can't link, but they don't know I got up my sleeve, man. I'm like that.
You know, please just contact your local authorities.
Who else? Why me keep on which one him is here? Which one him? Say cause she gay. Well, me didn't know at one point this girl did like me and that, but never think them girl would have switch. I'm screenshot that. Alright, cause me not like you like that. Alright, me I say cause she not like me like that. Well, we gonna take the little style in and go move on with it, you see. I'm gonna screenshot that again. Who else? Shana K says stop asking me shit. I know you have a girlfriend and plus me no want nobody and I already take you for a brother, so please. Oh really? You see, cause she tell me as a brother, I'm just tell her from now, so it's a prank. Who else? The youth them not in my phone as friend, you know, for gay, all of that crap. Whatsoever. Who else? The girl them me I try pinpoint out. Me text you them, Not say cause she don't want nobody, which is cap. There's somebody, man. You nobody not tell me what's so old, nobody. That's cap, man. It's big cap. I'm a screenshot that. Who else? Olivia said because I'm not supposed to in a relationship and have a future where I see myself. Oh, so she see herself. Oh, I see what she try to say. She try to say, yo, she don't want to be in a relationship. She it and she want to have a little future to herself when she wealthy, so that can do then. Alright, so Jade say what question? First of all, have your woman first of all my woman and I'm gay. Oh really? You come like up to this idea, wait there. You come like up to this idea, they don't realize say, yo, me and that girl did left. Right there. Jaja? Alright, Joanna say because you just came out of a relationship. Oh really? You come like me can pull more than 10, 16, 15. A good amount me can pull, man. Yeah.
Dance and I'm bossy.
Johnny, I wish one name. She said, first of all, not my type, and you post everything, so. Alright, we're gonna live with the one day. Alright, who else? Twinkle say, well, I'm not gonna call her Twinkle, that just someone. Alright, we're gonna say Dika, you see me? So live far, I don't know if you like me like that. I have just issues and extension. Oh, my social try to say. You know, cause you live far and things, you know, in a long distance relationship, and I want this damn girl got things, yo, you're cheap and whatsoever. Yeah. What's your name? Tiandi? Cause I know you like that. Well, me see what you try to say, you know, and what up, Tiandi the far, Tiandi the St. Lucia or something, so the long distance thing, it just, yeah. Who else? Me I wait for more girls for text. See, me just go through a good amount while I go, feel like a hype nigga, you see. Oh boy. Alright, so Mona say because you're not my type and we don't like each other like that. Not their type. They're trying to style me. They're trying to bring my confidence down and shit. But it's alright. You feel me? Got my feelings a little hurt.
We do not care.